Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, and this is the last episode of this elephant commission, which I'm very excited about. So at the end you'll see the completed mosaic up in its rightful place, and it looks amazing, so do watch until the end. If you're new to this channel, my name is Dion. I create African inspired mosaics and I just love doing what I do. Anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, lovely people, are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Hope you can see. I've been a busy bee. At this moment in time, I am just guiding my phone backwards and forwards and I cannot see what you can see. So hopefully it looks okay. You're not looking at my feet. Okay, let me come down here. Right, so as you can see, I've stuck down the elephants and I've started work on the background. It did take me a little while to figure this out, rubbing things out, starting again. And I'm so sorry that I haven't recorded this because my phone has literally got to the end of its tether, as in terms of space. So I thought, okay, let me just get on with it. Otherwise it's just going to take me too long. I'll be spending too much time just deleting stuff. So just let me just get on with some stuff. And as you can see here at the bottom, I started adding in some stained glass, which is going to be repeated throughout these waves. So yeah, these aren't stuck at the moment. I've just kind of laid them down just to see how it's going to look. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the way it's coming along. And I think it's probably going to take me another couple of days to finish this, the rate I'm going. But yeah. Looks a bit messy at the moment, doesn't it, with all the adhesive and everything, but that will disappear once it's all grouted. So see you soon in the next video actually. Bye for now. In this part of the video, I wanted to show you in real time how long it takes for me to cut 1 or 2 sections of glass. So just watch how long it takes me and what I do. I'm actually working on both sides of my table here, so because the mosaic is quite long, I'm cutting on the opposite side of the table. And then moving back to the position of where I need to go. So just take a look and see how long it takes. worked so hard last night, and I just wanted to get this done. And I finished cutting all the tiles. So what you can see here is all the tiles cut. The only thing I haven't done is stuck the up here, this section here and the section above. But everything else is stuck down, and then all that's left after that is grouting. But I am so happy that this is almost done. I mean, look, can't wait to see what it looks like up on the in its rightful place. So yeah, getting there. See you in a bit. Hey everyone, it is installation day. Yay! So behind me, just a little glimpse of the completed mosaic, and yeah, I'm going to the clients now, so I'm excited. I hope that she's going to be excited. I think she is, so let's do this. See you soon. So this is Queenie. Oh, where is she? There she is. She's excited to see me. She hasn't seen me for a little while. Oh my goodness. And this is the lovely Vivian. Oh, she's getting her mosaic installed today, and if I just go around, this is where it's going to go. Right here in this space. Yay! Queen is going absolutely mad. Off, go. The moment of truth.
Oh, I don't like it.
Then I'll just keep it. And I'm like, oh goodness, I'll do another one.
It's heavy.
I know. It's,
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Absolutely. Yeah. Oh,
Da-da.
wow. Oh, that's amazing.
Wow.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I love it. Yeah. Perfect. I love it.
Oh.
I love it. That is, yeah. Oh, that's amazing.
You like it?
I love it. Thank you.
You're
It's just
welcome.
amazing. Yeah. Perfect.
Alright guys, I'm going to do the installation now. Back soon.
Perfect. Thank you.
So here's just a quick reminder of what it looked like before. And here we have the installed elephant commission. I'm absolutely thrilled with it. We lost a lot of light, unfortunately, so I wasn't able to film properly, but you will see it in just a moment. Oh, poor little Queenie. She was feeling so left out, so I decided to play with her. Well, that brings me to the end of another exciting project, and if that has inspired you in any way, if you think, oh, I would like something like that in my home, please do get in touch, because I would love to speak about what it is you might want to do, and I'll leave all the details below. But until the next time, take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video.